Hi guys, welcome,
Hi.
welcome to an episode of Talk Silly Girl, where Silly Girl talks about random silly issues, mostly about reviewing human experiences. One such experience I have found that only us humans are like dumb enough to participate in is the experience of superstition. Like, yeah, like superstition, matlab, like not like religion and like your belief systems and stuff like that, but
Just random weird stuff you do.
yeah, random weird stuff you do. You don't know also if it
Yeah.
really works, but it just worked one time and you're just like, it's because of this.
Luck.
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically we're going to talk about superstition.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's just like a weird human experience thing.
Yeah. What is you supposed to introduce me as a host?
Oh crap, sorry.
Yeah.
I mostly spend my life ignoring her, which is why I also did that today.
Yeah, just trauma.
Trauma.
Yes.
Too much trauma. So this is my sister, Shania Iyer. Some people say we look exactly alike. Some people say we look completely different.
Yeah.
We don't care either way. I hate
Yeah.
her.
Yes.
So
I don't look like you anyway.
yeah.
Yeah.
Can't.
That's untenable.
Anyway.
How?
So yeah, what I was saying was that it's so weird that the smartest species apparently is like participating in something that is completely unbacked by data, no logical explanation for this, but we just kind of are superstitious.
Yeah, maybe it's the way we rationalize stuff. Because humans have the tendency to try to make sense out of everything or draw a pattern even when there is no pattern.
Oh, by the way, she's a psychology major, just saying.
Yeah, but no knowledge, okay.
Yeah, no, she's a psychology. Some knowledge.
Some knowledge.
Some knowledge.
Little here and
but
there.
generally brainless.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
So, yeah. So,
Yeah.
it is mostly that.
So I will throw in some studies, but
Yeah.
how valid they are, who did them, that don't ask me.
Yeah, nobody cares also
Yeah,
really. Like,
yeah.
but what is it you want to say? Is mostly what, like, anybody really, whenever you're having these conversations, it's just about an idea that is tossed out there. I really don't care about who said it, when did they say it, and
Yeah.
what is the rationale behind it.
Yeah.
I just want to know कि ये idea क्या था and what is this idea about.
Yeah.
Like, so yeah, what was the study about this?
No, this is not study. I was just talking about like how humans have the tendency to try to rationalize everything.
Right.
Where they're like, let us make a pattern. Because I even saw this, like we have a tendency to even see random shapes and try to make a smiley out of it, or
Yeah.
even look at clouds. We're trying to
Right. Make sense out of, like, make a drawing out of the
yeah.
cloud.
So the thing about chance is so many things are up in the air.
Yeah.
I think we create superstitions because we're like, oh, there's a pattern.
Yeah.
Oh, if I do this, then this will happen.
My lucky charm.
Yeah, it might comfort us
Yeah.
in that moment where we don't know what might happen.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
and everybody kind of has like a thing, right? Comment below if you have this thing, any such
Yeah.
thing, this thing which is something that only you believe in and is only
Yeah.
true for you. It's okay, we
Yeah.
support you. This is totally real.
Yeah.
Okay,
Even if
guys.
it's a lucky underwear or something, go ahead.
Yeah, dude. Like,
Yeah.
aren't there like basketball players who just do not wash their socks, like for
Yeah, maybe.
for like an entire season sometimes, like, and they will be like, no, these is lucky socks, we will
The
never
flavor
wash.
is marinating. French people don't wash their pan.
Is it because of superstition?
No, they want those flavors to stick in the pan.
I mean, technically, do you know if the pav bhaji wala that we are that
maybe
we are
that's why it
eating at-
tastes so good.
It's pan flavor. Listen,
I genuinely think sweat plays a role in why pani puri tastes good on the street. It adds that salt. Like.
let's get back to superstition. So, like, yeah, no, pan flavor is real.
Yeah.
I believe a
Sweat
lot
flavor
in
is
clam
also
fire.
real.
I'm
Yeah.
sweat flavor is also real.
Ah.
Yeah.
See, clearly, you can type anything. We won't judge.
Yeah, we are the last people
Yeah.
to judge. Yeah?
Yeah.
Why? No.
Yeah.
This is. So I'm very superstitious about not judging people. It's like,
What are your weird superstitions like that you believe in?
I don't have too many. No, fuck. Like, yeah, I do have a few
Yeah.
of them. So, like, I'm very compulsive about a few things. Like, I like doing things in multiples of 3. because I was born like on the 9th of June 1993. So there is 9 and 6 and 3, all of them, and like
Oh, yeah.
in my birth like date
Yeah.
of birth. So it's just like whoa. So then I'm just like, maybe this is like a theme with me. So yeah, so I generally tend to gravitate to numbers that are multiples of 3.
3.
Yeah. And I also like the number 9 a lot. Like it is there in my birthday and it's in her birthday, which is the 19th.
Yeah.
So we both have 9s in our birthdays. Like stop copying me. So it's like, yeah. So I tend to think that multiples of 3s and numbers, especially that end with multiples of 3s, are or even, for example, the number 12 or 21.
Yeah.
I will just be like, oh, this is good. This is a lucky thing because like
Yeah.
21, 2 plus 1, 3. Like, like that. Some stupid parallel like that.
Yeah.
What about you?
Mine are like very stupid, dude. Like all
Yeah.
these numbers and all at least like sounds nice. I had like if I see a yellow car, I clap thrice.
Oh, yeah.
And I remember whoever I tell this to, okay, they make fun of me and then they do it and then they remember me. They're like, Shana, see, that is 3 claps for yellow.
Yeah.
I had like a lucky bra and I still own it, and it was for my English exam. Like if I used to wear it, I used to write so well, dude. I used to be like, oh my god, all these ideas are just flooding. Then I had lucky thing in everything. I had a lucky block, I had a lucky swimming suit, I had lucky weird stuff. Yeah. I also the way I walk out of the house a certain way. If I don't walk like that, then something weird happens when I go out. So yeah.
I used to have this thing. Oh my god, so weird. So like whenever whenever the elevator used to come up or down, there used to be like this tile ka lines, okay? So when the elevator would like land, I had to like keep my foot in the middle of those both tiles. Otherwise the world would implode. Like
Yeah.
like one of those things.
I'm just realizing how crazy we sound right now.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah. Like
Shweta, we have to tell that story.
which one? Which one?
Of my unlucky razor.
Oh no. Guys,
Yeah.
guys, you guys need to hear this.
Yeah. I'm so happy I don't know that. Yeah.
Yes. You should take the floor. Go.
Yeah, okay, so more than lucky things, actually, weirdly, I have unlucky things. Okay. Like, and I have this thing, I just blame everything bad. I'm like, I wore this, now it's unlucky. So I had an eraser when I was young. I must have been like 8, maybe 8. And I was like, this eraser is unlucky. Okay. And I don't know why I kept it with me. I was like, aaj good luck ka board hai. Yeah, so I was like, let's get the bad luck eraser. And we were going for some movie. I think it was like Dhoom or some amaze movie, okay, that everyone in the world wanted to watch. And we were standing there in line, and it was like a long line, and we really wanted to watch this. And we were like, dude, like before we reach the thing only, it'll like go. The tickets will get over. I think you need to talk about it and find the right words to say things. I said the tickets will go. But yeah, I think the house will get full.
I think they understood, yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
So basically, we were like in the line, and then I like tap Shweta, and I'm like, I have like my bad luck eraser with me. And Shweta takes these things very seriously. She was like, what? Why would you bring your bad luck eraser to this one time where we need luck to be on our side? I was like, I don't know why I brought it. Why did I bring an eraser to a movie theater? I don't know. I genuinely
It's not even about the unlucky eraser. What is the eraser doing here?
No, it was the bad luck. Yeah.
Please don't bring anything unlucky when you're traveling with me.
Yeah.
I will tell you to get rid of it right then and there.
So she got so mad at me that I brought this unlucky eraser and like just rained on her Dhoom parade. She took the eraser. She was so pissed and she threw it. Okay, and I don't remember what happened. I think it hit someone's head.
It went. I literally threw it like this behind me.
Yeah. Okay.
I literally threw it behind me, and I literally hear a proper thunk, like kind of thing. And there was this guy, and this guy was behind us. He was just like, "Are you stupid?"
Yeah.
This, and then Sanu's like, I told you this eraser is very unlucky.
You can't get rid of it. Maybe that's why I still had it. Like it would just come back to me somehow.
Oh god.
But yeah, it was a very unlucky eraser. Guys, if you all think we're being crazy with this unlucky eraser, anyone who sends us hate, we will email you the unlucky eraser and ruin your life.
You will understand it is worse than us having a voodoo doll of yours.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Yes,
Be
you will
very
get shit on every day before going to work, school, college.
Unlucky eraser to all the haters. all the haters.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So that is one, like, see.
Yeah.
It proved to be unlucky is what
Yeah.
I mean to say. So that this is why I'm weird about these things. That when something is unlucky, I'm like, shit, yes.
Yeah.
Like, get rid of it because see, it was unlucky.
It was.
Even when we're trying to get rid of it, it landed on somebody's head like that.
Yeah.
Like, come on.
Are
guys.
you stupid?